Guys, my brother doesn't even like my lace. He already wrecked it. Look. Come on.
No.
Try it.
Get that bag away from me.
You haven't seen that and you haven't eaten this in years.
I don't even care.
Just smell it.
Dude, just go away.
It's delicious.
Get the hell back. You fat.
Foxy, what do we do now? Sorry it took too long. I was thinking of a plan to make him eat it.
Dude, I swear to God, I'm gonna put that damn camera. How about you could eat it?
Okay, fine. Give me my.
No. Let's see you can eat it.
Okay, you want me to eat it? Fine. Watch, I love this.
What, I hate them.
Delicious.
It's bad, isn't it?